somebody has asked a question about maybe some of the requirements about risk. Can we throw that up there on the screen real quick? And maybe you can see if we can answer that. Is that how are you addressing risks associated with cybersecurity, as highlighted by the WF and the major emerging risks that you have? So basically, my question is that how are you addressing? What are the risks, and how are you addressing risks in a situation like this?
I have mentioned that our company TraCert is located in Estonia, and Estonia is a country who knows very well how to deal with risks. To give you a figure, the little country of Estonia, before the Ukraine war started, had daily attacks from Russia of more than 80,000 attacks every day, digital attacks every day. Now, they damn well know how to protect themselves. In our, of course, we are taking all these precautions, but the question is very important. How do we protect these risks? First of all, for typical applications, the AWS cloud, the worldwide AWS cloud, is used to store the data. Second, if you don't have the UUID, you will not be able to find data there. It's impossible. You cannot find it. And in the most unlikely case somebody would find them, you cannot pretend it's the original information, because it's hashed and hashes in blockchain. And the data and the hash are in totally different locations. So at least from today's standpoint, I can say this system is very, very, very much protected. And of course, we have had people in auditors who checked this, so I do not say this very lightly.
Yeah, very good. No, I can believe that, especially when you put in, things like blockchain and things like that, which have a lot of really high detail requirements around them.